Hi guys, welcome to this new tutorial, and this tutorial is going to be very fast. We're going to do this within 2 or 3 minutes. By the end of this tutorial, you should be able to convert this picture you see here to this style here. As you can see, double neon effect on the picture. So I'm going to take out this one and we're going to start with this one. So the first thing we're going to do is duplicate the pictures, make them 2. So you go to the first picture, you go to mode, you go to grayscale. After doing that, you go to convert it to bitmap, convert it to a bitmap. You do the same thing for the other picture, turn it to a grayscale image and convert it to a bitmap. Next thing you're going to do is go to the first image, then you go to effect, you go to adjust, you go to image adjustment lab, and you're going to apply a color on it. You just play around with colors. You get maybe a blue color like this. You're going to go to the next one, you go to effects, adjust, image adjustment lab, then this time around you're gonna get a red kind of red image, something like this. So something like this is okay. Now once you're done like this, all you have to do now is apply transparency on this one to the right side. The right side should be transparent. You do the same thing for this side. This side should be left, the left side should be transparent. You can still adjust this one a bit. Then all you have to do is just highlight both images and press CE, and this is your effects done as quick as possible. So make sure to like this video, comment, like, subscribe, share this video, and see you in the next one.